Good morning. It's Saturday the 22nd of April and I'm up to do Ben Vorlich. I've just walked up the tarmac path. I'm ready to head up the side of the mountain. Loch Lomond Dam, Ben Vane. It's an absolutely beautiful day, it's stunning. A bit of wind just to cool you down, which is ideal. I think it's a wee bit stronger at summits, but I checked the forecast yesterday and there's a chance of 80% cloud free Munros, so I took the opportunity to come up and do one of my favourite Munros, which is Ben Vorlich. So I've done it before, and after I've done it I said I would always come back to do it again. So here I am, back up to do it again. I've picked a glorious day, so hopefully it stays this way. I think it's got a bit worse in the afternoon, but it's 10 to 10. Let's head up. Once you leave the tarmac path, you've got this well defined path take you onto the side of the mountain, but it is steep. First we look, Loch Lomond. That's me at the 650 metre mark. The walk for around 50 minutes. Take my time, no rush, enjoying the weather. But it's a glorious day, but it will be windy at the summit. You can feel the wind buffering anytime you get to a sort of exposed bit. The hill is busy, it's really busy. As expected, it's a lovely day and it's really accessible. That's why I like it so much, because it's only an hour's drive to Glasgow. So an hour in the car and you've got this. Check this out. High above Loch Lomond. Looking perfect there, Dave. Nice bit of trout fishing. That's us on the final wee push to the summit. A wee bit windy. I can't complain, the views are something else. I'll bring these back at the top. The summit of Ben Vorlich, that took 2 hours and 40 minutes. But the true summit is over here. So let's head over there. The true summit of Ben Vorlich. Spot to get some lunch. Check my view. Full picture of the Arctic Alps. Not too shabby at all. That's an amazing view down Loch Lomond. Ben Lomond up to the left, Ben Vane right in front of us, Ben Nairn, Cobbler at the back, Ben Ime. Fantastic. I'll never tire of that view, never. That's me back down onto the main path. I'm sitting about the 4.5 hour mark, so I reckon another 45 minutes on this tarmac path back to the car. So job's a good one. It's a glorious day. The wind's getting up. It was forecast to be high winds. Sort of put me off maybe coming out today. But it did say it would get stronger as the day got on, so that's certainly the case. It certainly felt a lot stronger coming down there. But aye, it's a glorious day. I really like that Munro, I really do. It's up there with one of my best. that's me done back at the car. All in, we were 5 hours and 20 minutes and we've done a total of 10.2 mile. So, great day, cracking hike up here, cracking weather, beautiful scenery. I've not got a bad word to say about it. I really enjoyed that, still enjoyed that. So if you managed to watch it this far, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.